Today we will learn few sentences using word to. Daily sentences using word to. So first one is to me. To me means ನನಗೆ. That is ನನಗೆ means to me is ನನಗೆ. So what you will say? ನನಗೆ chocolate ಬೇಕು. You can say anything. ನನಗೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಬೇಕು, ನನಗೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬೇಕು, ನನಗೆ ಕೇಕ್ ಬೇಕು. Anything you can say like that. ನನಗೆ is to me. Second one is to you. That is ನಿನಗೆ. As I taught you earlier, you is ನಿನಗೆ or ನಿಮಗೆ. So ನಿನಗೆ. How you will say? ನಿನಗೆ. So ನಿನಗೆ ಊಟ ಬೇಕಾ? You can ask a question. Do you want food? ನಿನಗೆ ಊಟ ಬೇಕಾ? ನಿನಗೆ ಊಟ ಬೇಕಾ means do you want food? Third one is to him. That is ಅವನಿಗೆ. That is ಅವನಿಗೆ. Him is masculine, her is feminine. So him is ಅವನಿಗೆ. That is ಅವನಿಗೆ. So you can say ಅವನಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಕೊಡು. ನೀರು is water. ಅವನಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಕೊಡು. So ಅವನಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಕೊಡು. Give water to him. Same, if you want to tell this for a female, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಕೊಡು. You can say that. ಅವನಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಕೊಡು, ಅವನಿಗೆ ತಿಂಡಿ ಕೊಡು, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಕೊಡು. Anything you can say by using word ಅವನಿಗೆ. Fourth one is to her. That is ಅವಳಿಗೆ. That is ಅವಳಿಗೆ. See, just replace ಅವನಿಗೆ with ಅವಳಿಗೆ. You can say ಅವಳಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಕೊಡು, but we will take some other example. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಕೊಡು. ಪುಸ್ತಕ is book. ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಕೊಡು. ಕೊಡು means give. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಕೊಡು. Next one is to there. There means what? There means ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. There means ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. That is ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. You know what is there? There is ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So to is ಗೆ. So wherever you have written to, you might have observed ಗೆ comes to you. ನನಗೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ, ಅವಳಿಗೆ. So to means it's like ಗೆ. To is ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. Only there means it is ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. That means we shall go there. So some place. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So to me, that is ನನಗೆ. Only me means ನಾನು. But here we are using to. So that is to is ನನಗೆ. Example is ನನಗೆ chocolate ಬೇಕು, ನನಗೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬೇಕು. For anything and everything you can use ನನಗೆ. To you, that is ನಿನಗೆ. ನಿನಗೆ. ನಿನಗೆ ಊಟ ಬೇಕಾ? ನಿನಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡಬೇಕಾ? Okay. To him, that is ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಕೊಡು. ಕೊಡು means give. ನೀರು is water. ಅವನಿಗೆ is him. ಅವನಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಕೊಡು. To her, that is avalige. Avalige pustaka kodu. Kodu is give. Pustaka is book. Avalige is to her. To there. Allige. Allige means allige hogona. To other place. So allige hogona. Hogona is we shall go. Okay. Hogu, hogona is all we shall go. Hogu is go. Hogona is shall go. So allige hogona. Sixth sentence is to this. That is idakke. To this is idakke. That is idakke. Example we can say is idakke bannavilla. What is banna here? Banna is color. Idakke bannavilla. Banna is color. Illa means no. So to this idakke bannavilla. For anything you can say that it has no color. So seventh one. To that. This and that. So E becomes adakke. This means idakke. That means adakke. For some other thing if you are telling, then you can use it for adakke. 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 You can use the same example. Adakke bannavilla means you are telling for some other. Idakke means the product will be with you or anything with you. That is idakke. If you are telling for some other thing, then you can say adakke bannavilla. So we will take an example. Adakke rekke illa. We can say rekke illa. So some rekke means what? Rekke illa. Rekke means wings. So you can say that bird is not having wings. So adakke rekke illa. So eighth one is to go. Go means what? Hogu. To means ge should come. Ge or k should come. So to go is hoguvudakke. Hoguvudakke. So to go is just go is hogu. When you add to, it comes k. Hoguvudakke. Hoguvudakke. Example is ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವುದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು. That means tell him to go there. To go there. ಹೋಗುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು. Tell him to go there. To do. Go, after go you can learn do. Do is anything which you do. That is madu. So madu is do and k comes, to comes means maduvudakke. So maduvudakke. So to do is maduvudakke. Same example you can take. Instead of allige, allige is that place, right? So avanige, avanu means male. Avanige maduvudakke ಹೇಳು. ಹೇಳು is tell him. Tell him to do that. To do that. Tell him to do that. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು. So next 10th one is to eat. Eat is what? Which you eat something, that is ತಿನ್ನುವುದಕ್ಕೆ. ತಿನ್ನು means eat. So ತಿನ್ನುವುದಕ್ಕೆ. that is ತಿನ್ನುವುದಕ್ಕೆ. See, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು. Same example you can take. ಅವನಿಗೆ ತಿನ್ನುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು. Tell him to eat. Instead of ಅವನಿಗೆ, let you learn the other gender word. Like for ಅವನಿಗೆ, we will use ಅವಳಿಗೆ. So you can learn two words together. ಅವಳಿಗೆ. ಅವಳಿಗೆ is female. ಅವನಿಗೆ is male. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ತಿನ್ನುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು. So using same words, only when you are changing these words, you can frame n number of examples. Okay. So to this, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, what is example? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಣ್ಣವಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಜೀವವಿಲ್ಲ means it has no life. To that means ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ the thing which is the other side, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಣ್ಣವಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರುಚಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, anything you can say. To go, ಹೋಗುವುದಕ್ಕೆ means to go there. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು. Somebody is telling, tell him to go that side. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು. To do, ಮಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ, that is ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು. Here you can use ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು. ಹೇಳು means tell. To eat, see, ಹೇಳು ಹೇಳು ಹೇಳು, it comes. To eat, ತಿನ್ನುವುದಕ್ಕೆ, that is ಅವಳಿಗೆ ತಿನ್ನುವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ to eat, ತಿನ್ನುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು.